Welcome to the introduction of the new Space Instruments Gearhead version 2.0 and this little hands-on video here. We are very excited to present you this new version of the Space Instruments Gearhead. It was developed in the last 2 years and engineered also in the last 2 years. We are very excited to give you these details. The really nice thing about this Gearhead is it is completely customized, as every single Gearhead is made exactly for the customer's needs. So whatever you want to fit in there or whatever request you have, there is always the option to fit that in the production, because just in the moment when you ask for some Gearhead, it's gonna go into production, so everything can be adjusted, especially for you. So first of all, I want to give you like some roundup details here about this Gearhead. It has a payload capacity of 15 up to 20 kilograms depending on the camera. It has its own weight of 10.5 kilogram. It has a width of 26 centimeters, a length of 30 centimeters, and a height of 21 centimeters. Really multi-purpose use is that the Gearhead can be fitted on nearly any mount, like Mitchell mount, Sachtler mount. Here on this flat base here on the Gearhead can be adjusted every usual bowl which is on the market, like a 75mm bowl, a 100mm bowl, or 150mm bowl. Regardless what it is, it can be fitted here on this Gearhead. The Gearhead here, this particular one has a 2-speed version. It's also available in the lower price, a 1-speed version. This 2-speed version is a little more advanced, but also a little higher in the price. And as you see, it really goes smoothly, nicely, and softly in both axes here. As you see how I use it here. And yeah, that's what I just want to give you a little introduction on. Yeah, this is very nicely. Also, I'm gonna flip it over, and then I'm gonna show you a little other view here of the Gearhead, so you're gonna see a little more of the details. As you see, every axis is going here very nice and smoothly and very soft and very on high precision. As you see, as I mentioned, also I said this is the 2-speed version of the Gearhead. There are these nice little switches where you can just switch the speed and you go on the low speed version here. That was the high speed version earlier. Now you can go switch on the low speed version. You just can freely rotate it, and it's a very nice use. As you see, it can go really soft and nice here, and that's it. Also, we have these nice little brakes there where you can just lock both axes. You see, in every axis you have this little lock where you just can switch it, and then it's just going strongly, and there's no really movement at all in any axis. And also we're going to show you like the other axis, which can be also locked very nicely. As you see, it's just lock, and then there's no movement at all, which is very exciting because it's very high precision. Also, I told you there's a lot of options available at this Gearhead. For example, we have here this little tilt plate. There's also just a normal plate you can adjust there, with the nice Space Instruments fastener system, where you just can unlock it, and then you can just adjust everything here, just very nice and smoothly and fast. You can also adjust here like every plate you want to do there, and there is no longer screwing and stuff and problems there. When you want to adjust the camera there, you just put it in here, lock it in the position, and you can always find the right balance point of your camera, which just makes things really easier and really nice. Also, as I said here, this little tilt plate here we have there, which is very precise. It is usable in 8 steps, and you can just lock it up and down here in these 8 steps. And so with the high angles of the cameras of the Gearhead, as I said already, the high angle from -45 to up to 45 degrees, you can plus the tilt plate, you can adjust really on every angle you want to reach there. Another thing that I want to mention is that we have here on the side of the Gearhead a little scale. So if you want to point your camera on the Gearhead in a special angle, then you can use that little scale. It's sometimes a little helpful. Also, what I want to tell you here is that you can order to a little uppress these Gearhead with high precision warm gears. For example, when you want to use it for big production or so, or if you want to use it for measurements also, then you can use these high precision warm gears. Also, this one you use the normal warm gears. As you see, it is already very precise, but you can get a little higher up, in the quality with these little warm gears. Yeah, another thing that I have to mention here is that this whole body of the Gearhead is made out of metal. There is not a single part of plastic used in it. So you get here a really high quality gearhead to a really moderate price and with a good really good shape and a good quality. Yeah, we hope you enjoyed that little video. If you wanna contact us or have further questions, then please write us a mail to info@space-instruments.org or visit our website at www.space-instruments.org or just leave a comment. We hope we could give you here a little introduction and you enjoyed the video. Have a nice day, and yeah, that's it. Goodbye.